Anyone who didn't know you could make a studio apartment feel huge? Stick around to find out how. First up, space-saving furniture. Think foldable beds, convertible desks, and storage sofas. These multifunctional pieces are game changers for maximizing every square foot. Next, smart layout planning. Clever design can transform a cramped area into a comfy living space. Use dynamic elements to keep things flexible and efficient. Now let's talk sleeping nooks. A cozy nook with soft lighting and decor can make all the difference. It's all about enhancing comfort without sacrificing style. Don't forget about workspaces. Select compact furniture and optimize lighting to boost productivity, even in small areas. Finally, design elements and color choices. Neutral tones can open up a space, making it feel inviting. Small touches like this can have a big impact. By combining these strategies, you can create a beautiful, functional studio apartment